with latest state-of-the-art machinery and equipment in line with the industry standards. Before we move ahead with the program, I would like to request Shri Kawaljeet Jawa, Chairman and MD of Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited, to kindly welcome Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, by presenting a bouquet of flowers and mementos. Further, I would like to request Shri S.S. Kankar, Director, Skill Development, to present bouquet of flowers to Shri Kawaljeet Jawa, Chairman and MD of Daikin Air Conditioning Private Limited. Now, I would like to request Shri S.S. Kankar, Director, Skill Development Entrepreneurship, to present the welcome address.
Good evening to all. I extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, whose leadership continues to inspire all of us to reach to new height of excellence and innovation. I also welcome Chairman and Managing Director of Daikin, Mr. Kawaljeet Jawa, a global leader in air conditioning and refrigeration. My warm welcome goes to other Daikin guests, officials, government officers, and press and media. This lab is a step towards bridging the gap between industry and academia. Daikin, a global leader in air conditioning and refrigeration technology, has partnered with us to equip our trainees with state-of-the-art tools and real-world knowledge, preparing them for a bright future in this fast-evolving field. We are excited to see the positive impact this lab will have on our students, who will now have access to cutting-edge technologies and hands-on learning opportunities. Thank you one and all.
Next up, we shall see a small video clip prepared by Director of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, giving us a virtual walkthrough of the Center of Excellence that is being set up by Daikin at Pramod Government ITI. Next up, we shall view another short video which provides us insight into the mission of Daikin behind setting up the Center of Excellence for Air Conditioning.
Since its entry in India in 2000, Daikin has established itself as a category leader through its commitment to innovation, cutting-edge research and development, and lean and efficient manufacturing. The foresight of Daikin management and timely decisions of strategic investments has kept Daikin a step ahead of competition and established it as a thought leader. Catering to the growing workforce, 150,000 youths are on the path of upskilling by 2025. TJIM, with its 200-bed hostel facility, offers cutting-edge training in manufacturing and HVAC trades. with a strong focus on empowering youth and supporting initiatives to educate the girl child like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. From classrooms to careers, Daikin's collaboration with various institutes has resulted in commencement of 31 COEs, which are shaping the future of HVAC, where academia meets innovation, empowering young minds, nurturing industry-ready talent.
Now, I would like to request Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to virtually inaugurate the Center of Excellence set up by Daikin at Pramod Government ITI. I would also request the other dignitaries to please join in.
Director. Bhushan, to you also.
Next, I would like to request Shri Kanwaljit Java, MD and Chairman of Daikin Air Conditioning Private Limited, to say a few words.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant ji, distinguished guests, industry leaders, partners, esteemed faculty, and most importantly, the aspiring young minds present here today. Well, my name is Kamaljeet Java and I represent the Daikin Global Board, and I am also heading India operations. We place great emphasis on Daikin's vision, mission, philosophy. We have a 100 years legacy of Daikin Japan, and Daikin India is 100% subsidiary of Daikin Japan. Our main focus is people development apart from process, system and products innovation. It is truly an honor to stand before you on this momentous occasion, because in India we are completing 25 years this year. And the inauguration of Daikin Center of Excellence at ITI Pramod, Goa, the route started when I met Dr. Sawant about 2 years back, and I could see his passion on skill development. While we were discussing sustainability, we were discussing increasing scale of Mr. Modi's mission, but I think his mission was that how can he give employment to youth of Goa. That is how our discussion started. And I had requested him that, maybe in Goa also we want to help him, and today I am very delighted to be here because with his efforts we are able to inaugurate that Center of Excellence in Goa. So thank you, Chief Minister. Building a skilled force for India future has been the mission of our Prime Minister and also the vision of our Goa Chief Minister. The world is undergoing a rapid transformation driven by advancement in technology, be digitization, which we all know that we are 11 times more than the US and 4 times more than the China. Also on skill enhancement for a country like us where we have a lot of youths, and particularly for a state like Goa, where I was told that even the plumber comes from outside the states because there are not very many skilled people available here. And same is the case even for air conditioning technicians also. I have my own experience here that when I wanted to install one air conditioner, probably it took 7 to 8 days for installation. So I think to fully harness the potential of these advancement of digitization, also evolving customer expectations, also increasing the demand of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, where the heat stress is going up, more and more developments are coming. While I came last night, I want to congratulate the Chief Minister that the airport which I saw, I mean it is not only the state of art in India, but I think it is compared to any global standard. So I think the infrastructure development which is happening in Goa under the stewardship of our respected Chief Minister is mind-boggling. Also the air conditioning also supports the hospitality industry, also the pharma industry, and I also see now more and more multinationals are coming to Goa. I think Daikin commitment to skill development, Chief Minister, I want to say that Center of Excellence is not just a training institute, it is a hub of training, it is a hub of innovation, it is a hub of also hands-on experience, which we say in Japanese technology, the Gemba. The facility is equipped with latest technology, modern training modules, and industry-relevant curriculum designed to empower students and professionals with practical hands-on training. Through these initiatives, we are focusing on mainly 3 key objectives. One is technical expertise. The second is industry readiness for these people. Even if they have a right of refusal after the training, they don't want to take the industry job, they can even become the entrepreneur and do their job themselves also as an installer and because the air conditioning industry is one industry which is going to become now probably the 3rd largest, because our Prime Minister has taken along with leather and also furniture, air conditioning as a sunrise industry. Also 3rd, employment opportunities, partnering with leading HVAC companies, heating, ventilation, air conditioning companies, where the market is expected to grow 10 times in the next 10 years in India, because the penetration level is still very low. 93% people don't own air conditioners, so this is the future. Air conditioning is the future of us, like our maybe mobile phones or like our automobile industry. So it is a strategic collaboration for Goa development, which we may have sown the seeds 2 years back, but I think it is getting implemented. Goa continues to emerge as a thriving hub for industries, hospitalities, and infrastructure. The demand for skilled HVAC professionals will rise significantly, and establishment of this center of excellence will ensure that Goa youth are equipped with specialized skills, not only support the local economy, but also open doors to national and global career opportunities. So we sincerely appreciate, Chief Minister Sir, for your proactive approach in making skill development a priority for the state's commitment to bridging the skill gap and empowering its youth, which aligns perfectly with our mission of Daikin. This is also empowering the next generation. To the young individuals who will be trained at this Center of Excellence, this is an opportunity for you, my friends, to step into a world of possibilities. Today, India is taking a lead in the globe. You must encash through this training the opportunities which are available. There is a turbulence in the US, we all have seen that. Also in the UK energy crisis, and India is getting built. It is no more China plus, it is the new India which is getting developed. We urge you to embrace this learning, we urge you to embrace this innovation, and we urge the students to embrace on this excellence. Take full advantage of the initiative which your Chief Minister has taken through this advanced training program. industry exposure and hands-on experience. Remember, the knowledge is just a starting point. You gain here is not just for employment, but also for empowerment. You have the potential to be future entrepreneurs, innovators in this country, and also industry leaders who can shape the HVAC landscape of tomorrow. Well, Daikin Global Vision for Future, we envision a future where every trained professional from a Daikin Center of Excellence is not just employable, but highly sought after for their skills and expertise. A future where India leads the world in climate-friendly, energy-efficient, and technologically advanced HVAC solutions. A heartfelt thank you once again. As we inaugurate this Center of Excellence, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Pramod Sawant ji and the Government of Goa for their support and collaboration in making this initiative a reality. I also want to thank our industry partners, educational institution, and the entire Daikin team for their dedication for making this skill development a cornerstone of our growth strategy. Most importantly, I want to thank all the students and the aspiring professionals who will be part of this journey. Well, your success will be the true measure of our efforts. We are committed to providing you with the best training resources and opportunities to excel in your careers. Together with ITI, let us accelerate this action with the joint collaborative, which is what has been the mantra of success of our new government. Let us embrace this learning and build a future where India stands tall as a global leader of HVAC technology and innovation. Thank you, and I look forward to witnessing the success story that will emerge from this Center of Excellence. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Next up, I would like to request Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to express his thoughts on this occasion.
नमस्कार. गोंय सरकारच्या स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट आणि एंटरप्रिनर्स हाच्या वतीन डायकिन हाच्या बरोबर सुरू केल्ल्या स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट सेंटर प्लीज ऑफ इट सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स हाच्या इनॉग्रेशनच्या कार्यक्रमाक म्हजे बरोबर आसात मिस्टर कवलजीत जावा आणि त्याचबरोबर डायकिन्स हाचे बाकीचे सगळे ऑफिसर्स हाज्या बरोबर आमचे कडेन दुसरो जो प्रोग्राम्स आसा एक्चुअली इट इज अ PM इंटर्नशीप प्रोग्राम ताज्या खातीर सगळे उपस्थित रावल्या तांचे सगळ्यांचे हांव मना काळजांतल्यान स्वागत करता. इट इज एक्सटेंड हार्टफेल एप्रिसिएशन टू द एवरीवन वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स द स्किल्ड स्वयंपूर्ण and विकसित गोवा. Center of Excellence in the HVAC industry, the collaboration between the Daikin Air Conditioner India Private Limited and ITI Pharmagudi and marks us as a new era of the Goa HVAC industry. The Center of Excellence will offer the state-of-the-art training facilities showcasing the Daikin latest technology, the hands-on experience for the students to bridge the gap between the theory and practice, the faculty training program to ensure the highlight quality of education, the industrial training and mentorships with the DIPL professionals, better job opportunities with preference for the placement in DIPL. It is then building of the skilled Goa for the Vikasit Bharat. It is then inspired by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji's Skill India initiatives. Goa is actively working towards the skilling, reskilling and upskilling of youth. Our goal is to equip the young mind with the industry relevant skills and preparing them for the employment, entrepreneurship and innovations. A skilled youth force is the backbone of the Vikasit Bharat, and Goa is committed to shaping its future through the skill development. Strengthening Goa's skill development infrastructure, Goa is committed to the enhancing the higher education landscape with the institutions like IIT, NIT, National Forensic Science University, National Institute of the Water Sports Institute, and the International University of the Legal Education and Research, which is in the Goa. We are also upgrading our industrial training institutes ITS with the cutting-edge vocational trainings in collaboration with Tata Technologies Limited. Our 5 ITIs, the Bicholem, Kakora, Pharmagudi, Mapsa and Vasco, have been converted into the Center of Excellence for providing the world-class training. All 10 government ITIs has been already achieved the ISO Education Organization Management System of the 2001 to 2018 certification, ensuring the quality education and training. The key of the skill development system in Goa, it is one is in Goa Chief Minister's Kaushalya Path scheme, which is bridging the gap between the demand and supply of the skilled manpower. We offer the short-term training and recognition for the prior learning for the certified skilled workers. Second is the Chief Minister Apprenticeship Schemes, which is benefited more than 10,166 youth for the industry-based apprenticeship scheme. Pradhan Mantri Kaushalya Vikas Yojana, which already trained and certified 11,438 candidates with the industry-relevant skills. And also the PM Vishwakarma Yojana, approximately the 33,000 beneficiaries have been traditional businessmen and trades they have registered. Now there is an industry collaboration for the better employability. Goa has entered into the 55 MOUs with the industries, hotel and industrial association to create the opportunities for the placement and job opportunities for a skilled youth. On the job training to enhance the practical knowledge and the training of the trainers and to ensure the high quality instructions. It is in participation to the placement and apprenticeships for the Bharti Melas to be the directly for the hiring the youth. And this participation bridges the gap between the industry and academia, ensuring that our youth are job ready. It is the world is changing rapidly, and the new skills to success, and whether the technology, hospitality, engineering, or the traditional trades, learning the new skill will open the door for the better job opportunities. To take these advantages, the training program, apprenticeship, and industry collaboration to build the stronger career. A skilled Goa means the Vikasit Goa, and let us work together for the Vikasit Bharat. The Goa is on the path of becoming the hub of skill, talent, and innovation. We urge the young Goan to embrace the skill development, become the industry ready, and contribute to the growth of our state and nation. हे सगळें सांगता आसतना हांव समेस्त गोंयकारांक आव्हान करता आयच्या डायकीन बरोबर जाल्ल्या एग्रिमेंटाच्या निमित्तान की गोंयांतल्यो सगळ्यो ITI विथ फुल्ली रेडी आसा सगळ्या जाणांनी वेगवेगळी ट्रेनिंग घेवपा खातीर. म्हणूनच तर आमच्या गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या 10 ITIतल्या निमित्तान HVAC आसतले, प्लंबींग आसतले, फायर एंड सेफ्टी आसतली, हॉस्पिटॅलिटी सारके कोर्सीस आसतले. फर्स्ट टायम वी हॅव गिवन दीस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर ऑल द यूथ इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. तांच्यांनी वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीत येता त्या न्यू एड्युकेशनल इयरांतल्यान जॉयन जावचें आनी आपलें करियर स्कील डेव्हलपमेंटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सगळ्यां कडेन करपा खातीर आमी ड्युअल डिग्री सिस्टम किंवा डिग्री विथ डिप्लोमा सिस्टम किंवा डिग्री विथ सर्टिफिकेशन सिस्टम जे कोर्सीस स्टार्ट केले त्या हातूंतल्यान जर जॉयन जालें जाल्यार म्हाका निश्चितच खात्री आसा की विकसीत भारत विकसीत गोवा आनी स्किलिंग रिस्किलिंग अपस्किलिंग ह्या कन्सेप्टांतल्यान आमचो प्रत्येक यूथ हाजे कडेन अलॉंग विथ द डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट देर वील बी द एडिशनल सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ द स्किल्ड हाजे एक तरी एडिशनल सर्टिफिकेट आसप हें गरजेचें आसा. ती सर्टिफिकेट्स घेवपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्या ITIतल्यान अशे यूथ फुडें येतले आनी एक तर नोकरेच्या निमित्तांत किंवा सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंटाच्या निमित्तांत करपा खातीर गोंय सरकार सदोदीत तांच्या बरोबर आसा. वन्स अगेन आय एम कॉंग्रेच्युलेटिंग फॉर द डायकीन एंड होल इज एंटायर टीम फॉर द स्पेशल सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स इन अवर फार्मागुडी ITI. थँक यू.
Thank you, sir. Before we conclude the inaugural program, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister for his precious time. I would also like to thank Shri Kavalchit Jawa, Chairman and MD of Daikin India, along with his Daikin India team. I would like to thank Shri S.S. Gaonkar, Director of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, along with his team. And also would like to thank the staff of Mantralaya for their continuous support and valuable help. Thank you all.
ओके हांगा वचून तांकां वचून नाका वचून
Another meeting.
या
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I look forward
शुअर I'll come to it. Yo, let them come.
Daikin team